Hey guys, I'm going to give you a market update for Guelph for this month. When we do market updates, we don't have all the data for this month yet, so we use the prior month. So we're going to be looking at February 2026. Based on those numbers, we look at the month before that, so January 2026, and then the year before that, February 2025. Right now, what we're seeing is that it's a balanced but very buyer-friendly market. The average sale price in Guelph is about $727,000, which was modestly up 0.8% from the month prior in January 2026, but down 7.4% from February 2025, when the average sale price was about $728,000. Sales were up from only 38 in January to 59 in February, which is pretty common when the spring market starts approaching, but they were still down 12% from February 2025. Inventory is also building. There was 299 new homes for sale last month, up 14% from January and 22% from year over year. We also look at what's called months of inventory, which means if no new homes came up for sale on the market, how long would it take for all those homes to sell based on the current selling rate? That number sits at 5.1 months of inventory, which is up from 3.6 months of inventory last February 2025. Last year, it took about 55 days for the average home to sell. This year, it's taken about 95 days for the average Guelph home to sell. And homes are selling at about 97.4% of their asking price. Just like a lot of places in Ontario, the Guelph detached homes are holding their value well. Semis are not doing so good. There wasn't even a sale in all of January for the semi-detached, so I couldn't do month-over-month values. I had to go back to December, compare December to February, and semis are down 24%, even though the spring market is just around the corner. Condos are not doing that great either. Condos are down 18% month-over-month. So that was a lot of numbers, but if you were to ask me to explain that in layman's terms, when I see that prices are down 7.4% year over year, inventory is building, so there's a lot of homes for sale, and sales itself is actually down from the year prior, that tells me that it's not really a strong market for sellers. Great market to buy in, but prices are not what they were. There's too much demand and not a lot of supply. It should be interesting to see what the spring market will bring. It's definitely not the typical market that we're used to. Great time to buy, not the best time to sell. I hope you enjoyed this little clip.